Hello. Many of the projects we use RF modules. The RF modules are 433 megahertz RF transmitter and receiver modules. They look like this: the transmitter module, both sides, and the receiver module, both sides. They are typically 433 megahertz. These are typically AM, that ASK transmitter, the receiver and transmitter being TX433 and RX being RX433. Amplitude shift keying ASK, or they are also called OKK, that is off hook keying type RF transmitter and receiver modules. OKK transmitter draws no power when transmitting 0 while fully suppressing the carrier frequency, thus consumes significantly low power, about 1 milliampere only, in battery operation. When logic 1 is sent, carrier is fully on at about 4.5 milliamperes with a 3 volt power supply. These are much less than FSK, that is frequency shift keying type. The range in open space is about 100 meters with about 45 cm antenna. RX is this frequency, RS a typical sensitivity of this, RX typical current is about 3.5 milliamperes, and RX IF frequency about 1 megahertz, and low power consumption, EG for application, RX operating voltage about 5 volt, whereas TX operating voltage about 3 to 6 volts, and the power is about this much. And this is how we use, as we discussed, interfacing the HT12D and 12E to the data in here. This is the transmit, where the data comes from the HT12E and it is transmitted by the antenna point here. An antenna is connected here, it is transmitted by this, and it is received by this antenna. There is another antenna here, it is received by this antenna. Let us see it a little more zoomed manner. Okay, so this is what is the antenna for the transmitter, data, 5 volt supply, and ground. Here also ground, the 2 pins they get ground, and 5 volt supply here. These 2 pins are meant for data, and this is ground. So this is transmitted, receiving serial data from the HT12E, and this is receiving from the HT12D the serial data, and that is how they work. Thank you.